Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Falling by Harry Styles. So it's mostly the same 4 or 5 chords all the way through the song, but each section the chords are just played in a slightly different way. So I'm going to take you through the entire sections today. And before we dive in, hello, my name is Francesca and I'm the teacher here at Bitesize Piano. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. Please give the video a like if you enjoy it and that it's useful. I do take piano tutorial requests, so if you would like to request one from me, stick around to the end of the video with our instructions on how you can do that. Here on Bitesize Piano I make all sorts of tutorials, so go have a rummage around my channel, see what else you can learn. Make sure to hit the notifications bell, and I've left a few playlists in the description below to get you started. And finally, thank you to everyone who chooses to support Bitesize Piano on Patreon and other avenues. You know who you are. Thank you very much. It's really appreciated. If you are interested in supporting the channel in that way, the links are in the description below. So let's dive in. So this one is in the key of E major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E major. So the melody and the chords are formed using these notes. So we'll look at the intro first. Here is middle C for reference. And the first chord, and the chord that you're going to play, to be honest, for most of the song in your right hand, is an E major, specifically in this inversion, which is second inversion. That's B, E, and G sharp. So the intro, you're mostly going to be going so you're going to play the whole chord together, and then again. So the left hand, you're going to first play in E. So we've got E major chord that makes. Then do that again. And then your left hand is going to come to C sharp and G sharp, so you're going to play in fifths. And you can do the exact same thing in the right hand. So I guess this would make a C sharp minor 7th chord, or you could just call it E major over C sharp. And then you're going to come to a B, 5, so that's B and F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then you're going to quickly change to a G sharp and D sharp. That last bit, so I'll just do that again from the B. And then you're going to move that up to A and E. Just hold it there, and then that's then into the verse. So if you wanted to make it a bit more specific, the only change is when we get to the B section. So it's actually going, you're going to play that B on top, so it's going, and then when it changes to the G sharp, you play that B again. So I'll just do that again. And then this is a normal. So I'll just play through the intro with that extra bit in there as well. I'll do it like the full speed. Then it's into the verse. So the first verse and the second verse are incredibly similar, it's just literally the first bit that's slightly different. So you're going to play that E chord again. So it's E, B and E in the left hand. So you're going to play that and you're going to play those two notes 3 more times. And then the rest of the verse is played quite low down. So here's middle C, so it's past there. The next chord is a C sharp minor. So in the left hand, you're going to play that C sharp and G sharp. And in the right hand, we have C sharp, E, and G sharp. And you're going to play that 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a B major chord. So in the left hand, just like the intro, you're going to play B and F sharp. In the right hand, you're going to play B, D sharp and F sharp, and play that 4 times. On the 4th time, you're going to come to G sharp and D sharp in the left hand. And then we've got A major 4 times, which is A, C sharp and E. So I'll just do that again from the beginning of the verse. I'm in my bed and you're not here. And then you're going to play that E major chord this time 4 times. C sharp minor again. B major, G sharp, A major. So that's the verse. So now we're going to have a look at the chorus. So the first chorus is different from the other 2 choruses. So the left hand you're going to play E, B and E, and then down to C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, B, F sharp and B, then to G sharps, and then A, E, A. So that's what the left hand is doing. I'll do that again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the right hand, with that, you're just playing this E major chord again the entire way through. So and the left hand changes. And then we've got this F sharp E. And again. And then the left hand changes to a B, and you're going to do the same thing in the right hand. It repeats. Be into the second verse. So carry on playing that. Into the chorus again, but this time it's more like the intro, so it's just going. That's all the right hand's doing. into the bridge. So this is where he's singing, and I get the feeling that you'll never leave me again. So you're gonna come up quite high. It's out of shot, so I'm not gonna play it here. So it's just an A major chord. So you can play just an A major in the right hand, an A in the left hand. So I get the feeling that you'll never leave me. And then it's a C sharp minor. So I get the feeling that you'll never leave me again. Then it lands on an E. And then we have C sharp minor 7. So in the right hand you could just play an E major, in the left hand you could play C sharp and G sharp. And then we have B major in this inversion, because this note is sticking out as a top note, which is D sharp, F sharp and B. Then it changes to a G sharp. And then A major in this inversion. So again, this note sticks out as being the highest note, so it's E, A and C sharp. So the timing goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's into the chorus, which we already know it's exactly the same. The outro. So your left hand is going to come up and play E and B past middle C, and the right hand is going to play a high G sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, E, and then a single E. So I'm going to play the whole song all the way through for you now, so you can see how it fits together. And the full chord song lyric structure is linked in the description below, so go and check that out if you might find that useful. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.